Woy! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. and this is Cook and Vibe. Yes, today I've done a mad thing for you. You'll soon see my bridge, you big up White Shadow him there, you know, but a whole heap of things in my carrying hand right now. I mean, I'll beat him up right now. But you're gonna see White Shadow. You should know White Shadow from Can't Live in a Wanna Bushweed. Yeah, man, he directed that. He's there in the video and everything. So if you go back a few years ago, a long time me and Shadow apart. So today we are in the Blue Mountains. You understand, people? We've done a madness to do this episode for you. Whoa, yo, but may I tell you, say the place where we're staying is absolutely amazing. Today it's all about coffee, obviously. Blue Mountain coffee. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Blue Mountain coffee is one of the best, if not the best, coffee in the whole entire world. Do you know what I'm saying? This is where the coffee is grown. This is where it comes from. Do you know what I'm saying? You've got the coffee factory just down the road here. All the coffee beans are up in the mountains and stuff. Do you know what I'm saying? So that is what we're doing here today. Today's all about coffee. We're in the Blue Mountains. It's Cook and Vibe, White Shadow. Yes. So the place we're staying is Raff Jams. I'm going to give you all the information you need for this place to stay here. If you need any more like details, I'm going to connect with White Shadow. Just message White Shadow on Instagram. You get me on TikTok or anything like that. All of his links are going to be in the description. So just message him and ask him about this place, because this place is absolutely beautiful. Right now I can't show you the whole place, but you see the place that we're staying in is crazy. You're going to see it, but you're going to have to keep watching Cook and Vibe to see that. So right now, this is the entrance to Raff Jam. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful little place, like a hidden little gem. This didn't come up in the search when I was searching for places for Blue Mountain, but you know, so Shadow might bridge in. Me and Shadow are well reasoning on the phone, and he said, you know what, M.Dot, I've got a link up in the Blue Mountains. So I said, well, just set up the thing then. Big up Susan. Susan owns this place. Lovely lady, very humorous. Yeah, like I say, Susan's a very humorous and nice woman, so you get me. Make you feel nice and at home. Just like this. Raff Jams. We're there, man. You know what I'm saying? Blue Mountains. It's all about coffee. And do you want me to tell you something, people? I don't like coffee. But I'm doing it for you lot. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so. This is the entrance. This is the reception. There's beautiful little rivers that run right around everywhere. You get me? So. Our koi in there as well. But yeah, it's really, it's proper like rural here. You're proper in Jamaica. And there's a cat climbing the tree. What's the cat? Hey, there he is. Tickling. Yeah, people, so we are going to do the mats. The Zimmy. All right then, so people, so what we're doing right now is Shadow, that's what I'm saying. So Shadow can also be your tour guide as well. You get me? And he's not really a tour guide, he's my brethren. But he can do that. You get me? So you just let me know and I'll let you know how much it will cost. Doesn't cost a lot. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, he's my brethren. So you see the river that's running down there, look. Beautiful, man. So what we're doing now is we are hiking and we are going to get some beans. We're going to find the actual coffee beans growing on the plant. It's exciting considering I don't even like coffee. You get me? Like, yeah. And by the way, if anybody's got any confusion right now, yes, he's white. Yes, he is fully Jamaican. Yes, he was born and grew in Jamaica. Just to cut out any questions or anything. Yes, big up on yourself, and I don't know it. Yeah, so, you know, so people love to ask questions. Yeah, white, man, yeah. No, I'm British, he's Jamaican. Yeah.
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot.
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why?
Yeah, so Shadow, I say, when you've been up in the mountains and you're hot and everything there, you can just come right here and just fall out in a pool, natural pool. You see me? Cool off your skin. Yeah. All right. Yeah, right now we're on a hike. We're on a hike, cook and hike. Yes, yeah. Oh, wow. This is deep in Jamaica, people. Deep in Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? It's really good this time. I feel like I've got a lot of different content for you. You know what I'm saying? You've seen all the vlogs of, you know, in Kingston, Portmore, you know, all this. And sorry about the camera there, people, but we are hike. And I'll tell you the truth, I love Kingston, I love Portmore, I love all them places there. The nightlife there is amazing, you know, people there is wicked, musically it's the place. But you see these places of Jamaica, this is why I really love Jamaica. This is the beauty, the nature, you know what I'm saying, you know, the hidden gems of Jamaica where you just find mangoes falling off trees on the floor. There's just loads of mangoes on the floor just because, you know, it's just nobody's around. And this, look, mangoes just everywhere, just falling off the ground, everywhere, literally. Stuff, and it's just really nice nature. So we are hike, cook and hike. We're gonna find some coffee beans, hopefully. Oi. Oi! This is a coffee plant. A coffee tree, is it a tree or a plant?
It's a plant.
It's a plant. Okay, look up there. Mountains. Wow. You see when you see that on camera, and you see when you see that with your own eyes. Wow. When you see that with your own eyes, a different thing, man. Wow, what an amazing view that is. This is a coffee tree. There's some beans on this.
Some beans,
yeah, man, we'll find some, so. Yes, so as you can see, this is the coffee plant, that's its leaves. You get me? And when you look down here, look, you can see little tiny ones just starting to pop out. And as you go down here, you can see the bigger ones them. And I believe this one's ripe. This one ready?
Turn.
This one turn.
Yeah.
Let them call it.
Yeah.
So when it ready, they call it turn.
When it get red, ripe, it turns red.
Oh, so this have to go red.
Right point on the other side over there.
Yeah.
It's all the way down there. I can see it from here.
All right then. So I'll go for that one there. I'll go for that one there. But look, you can see the difference in the colors. So obviously that's what they start in this, and then they go red. Or they go this color.
Yeah, so which is a yellow, green.
Yeah.
And then turn red.
Right. So they go red. So this is the first. So actually, no. You can see what's the first. First of all, they will start like that. Then they will get bigger like that. Then they will turn, and then they will go red. You see me? Wow, coffee beans. It's amazing. Right, so basically people, I'm colorblind. Yeah, so these ones here, I'm gonna have to get Shadow to help me find the red ones, but there's some red ones on here, so we're gonna go and pick them. As you can see, the ones that are woolly, man. Pure coffee. All of this is coffee. Coffee. Mad thing. Why? So basically what we're going to do is we're going to get enough beans to make a cup of coffee. Yeah, cook and vibe, do you know what I'm saying? And we have found a perfect, look, these are all red. You can see the colour of them. Yeah. And it looks like they're nice. We only want enough to make one cup of coffee. We're not trying to do no big mass production here. We just want to make a cup of coffee to use lot and see what I go on. You get me? That's that one, that's still good, but that's them one they're good. Them one they're good?
Yeah, man. Remember, see, I can put them for dry now.
Yeah, okay. Yes, people. Coffee. You get me? So we ain't going to need a lot more. We're only going to need like a handful. Because we're only making one cup of coffee.
Yeah, man, that's enough right there, so.
Yeah.
Make a cup of coffee, man.
Yeah, I've got a couple more in my pocket as well, people, so. Yeah. Let's have a little look around the tree a bit more. Let's see what else is going on over there. Yeah, man, it's nice people, man. Yeah. Yeah, look at the banana tree there, people. Isn't it? So, you know what I'm going to do? I feel like... No chance. That one there, and I said I was about to go up there, people. That one there, but I feel like me I got slide. But yeah, this. I kind of don't want to stop showing you because it's amazing. Look at over this way because you can see the big bushes over here. Look, all banana tree. Look, fell down. Look at that. I can't even lift that. Look at that. Banana tree fell at the ground. My thing. So, yeah, see loads of baby ones on this one. Loads of them. This one's flourishing. You get me? Yeah, man. So, here we go, people. That's what I'm saying, with mangoes just everywhere. It's just fruits. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Shadow's been doing film for 20 years. If you see the Cali video, really well directed. We got coffee, people. We have got fresh coffee off of the tree. Now that is amazing. Do you know what I'm saying? You ain't gonna get better than that. You really won't get better than that. Fresh coffee. So basically, what we need to do now is we need to dry these beans out. You get me? Once they're dried out, so, and a true Shadow, once they're dried out, we can grind them and make the coffee. Yeah. Right. So we're gonna leave these out to dry. And then we're going to grind them up and make a little cup of coffee. A one sipper. You understand? Like I say, we're not on no mass production thing. Just to show you where I've gone. It's a new thing for me. Coffee's not really my thing, so. Yeah, so once they've dried them out, we're going to roast them. Just like the chocolate, the cocoa. Dry it out, then roast them, then grind it. Yeah. We are in the mountains with the coffee. It's a shame I don't like coffee, really, to be but I'm going to try it. And you never know, the freshness might just make it completely different. Another thing that I noticed with the coffee, right, it's always like on the edge, like at the top of like the cliff bit, like it's always on like the edge. It's never like down, it's always like on a hill, maybe, yeah, but I've noticed that. Yo, I'm telling you, it's not a joke. In these mountains, I feel like I'm doing a gym session. Why? It's cook and vibe. Coffee, you understand? Yeah, we got White Shadow. You see me? Yeah, man, we're there, people. Why your sunlight? I just, you know, say a natural thing. Yeah, sunlight. A good episode. You're getting a special episode today, people.
Step in the roots.
Yeah, okay.
Step in the roots.
Step on the roots.
Yeah.
We have roots for steps out here. Look at that.
The contrast right here.
Red.
See the red and the green here.
Wow, look at that red fern. I've never seen that before. You know what ferns are, people? The green. Look at that. It's red. Wow. That is amazing. All right, Shadow's gone down there quickly, people. So we're just having a little walk around and seeing what we can find. Because so far, I found mangoes, coffee beans, ginger, and a one little walk we make. Oh my day, look at this. Boy! Yo, look at that. Oh my days. That's what I'm saying, man. You never know what's gonna happen. Look at that. Wow. Coffee and waterfall. That's a really nice waterfall as well. Yeah, man. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. What kind of place is a coffee plant? Looks similar. Yeah. So yeah, man. What a vibe. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hook and vibe. Boy, yoy. Yeah. So this is natural alkaline spring water. You get me? So when you wash your face in this, a different energy, you know? I wash off my hands. Yo. Jaja! Yeah, I tell ya, good energy, alkaline spring water, naturalness. Then getting that body and resources back in it, that naturalness in your body. Yeah, in your soul. Yeah, man, it's a spiritual place. A very, very spiritual place this. Shadow will tell me, so when you drive up the hill, only for Duppy. Go Duppy ghost. If someone says something, don't stop, like it could all be a ghost. Yeah. Boy, yoy. Natural soap. Lavender. You get me, sir? Yeah? And then fresh. Smells like lavender that you just washed. Natural soap, natural spring water, natural plants. Yeah. So good vibe. Wow. People. I don't know if this arm, look, this is absolutely beautiful. Look at that rainbow in the waterfall. Now that is something different, isn't it? Wow. This place is actually powers. One heap of powers and energies right there, so. Yo, can't believe a rainbow just. Yeah.
This river right here.
Yeah.
The bobo them that come from off a school of vision.
Yeah.
The Rasta camp.
Yeah.
The artists of them come baptized.
Okay. Oh, so this is like a baptized place for the rest of them. Yo. Rainbow. God, alright, it's a God did it. Wow. It's amazing.
How the water feel, brother?
Cold, but not that cold.
People is going for the rainbow.
yeah, that there is a very, very spiritual place. You feel really, really like close to, you know, whatever you believe in. You know what I'm saying? I had to hold a prayer there and dip my head in the water and just hold a blessing, because I feel very, very close to Father God right there. And I'm not really that type of person to be outspoken with it. I'm more like inside, more kind of hold it inside, and more kind of hold my prayers to myself. Man, that's an older little, yeah. I'm wet though. Yeah, it's like that. This is how you wake up in the morning, people. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, man. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. Yes, people. So, as you've seen, the coffee beans, they dry out. You get me? You leave them to dry, as you've seen already. From this process, we're going to skip the drying and we're going to skip the grinding. Do you know what I'm saying? We are at Cafe Blue. Cafe Blue in the Blue Mountains. Proper Blue Mountain coffee. Now, we could have done it ourselves, but this is the proper, and we want to taste it how it actually tastes. I can't remember the time I've ever drunk coffee. I don't think I've even drunk it. I've probably sipped it like once or maybe 3 or 4 times in my life. So I'm actually gonna have a coffee. I'm gonna have a Blue Mountain coffee and taste it, because it's a coffee episode. So I kind of put my foot in it, really, didn't I, people? So yeah, you've seen the whole process. You've seen the plants. You've seen how we dry them out. You get me? And then the next step, grinding and then drinking. And that is what we're doing right now. Cafe Blue, quite a popular place where we're at, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, taste time. Beverages there, you got the espresso, americano, latte, mocha, misty blue, hot chocolate, everything there, even your cold beverages. Look, Blue Mountain Fog, so what that is, Sub-Zero, iced tea, fruit smoothies, yeah, you see it there. So obviously it's the taste time, so we are just going for the 100% Jamaican Blue Mountain. Yeah, so let's go. This is the view from the cafe. Look at that. I'm not even gonna lie, people, it's a long way down there. The camera can go there, I'm not going nowhere near there. I don't like heights. Yeah, it's a long drop still. Oi, oi. Yeah, here we go, people, look at this. We've got our Blue Mountain coffee, 100%. You get me? So we've got some sugars here. Go for it. I'm not gonna lie, because I don't really like coffee. I'm gonna put 3 sugars in there still. And you're probably, you know, a golden grace sugar. Nice bit of sugar, and we've got our little milk in a nice little, and the milk feels hot. That's different. That's changed. The milk's actually hot. Good bit of milk in there. Ooh. Gotta make a mess and I cook on vibe. Get that stir around. Why? Now, I don't like coffee. I've never drunk a whole coffee. I'm really hoping that this will give me an experience. I'll be able to drink the coffee. So after all the picking the beans and everything, we're finally at the taste time, people. Here we go. Cook and vibe. Why? No, it tastes like coffee. Still not really the one for me, but it's rich. Really rich like rich. That I can tell. If you like coffee, you're gonna like this. I mean, I can taste the richness. And I don't drink coffee. But I don't like the taste of coffee, but I feel like I could actually enjoy this. Like honestly, not even for the camera, I feel like I could actually enjoy this. Clearly, otherwise I wouldn't keep drinking it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you got the mocha as well. What ones does she get, Shadow? This one.
This is a mochaccino.
This is a mochaccino. And what one's this one?
Caramel latte.
A caramel latte. Let me try this. So let me try the caramel latte. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. But this is where you taste actual coffee, the richness of the coffee. I think I quite like it. I think it was the first taste that just so rich, just hit my mouth, and that coffee taste, but I'm gonna drink that. I'm gonna drink that and enjoy it. Yeah. So yeah, that's the coffee episode, people. Welcome vibe. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got to see some stuff you never see before. And some information. You know what I'm saying? We're in Jamaica. I ain't brushed my hair. You know tinga. People, bless up yourself. Big up White Shadow. Make sure you go and follow him. And big up Section. I'll see you next time. Oi, oi.
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Why, oi, people. Welcome to the big up section. Hope everyone's alright. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It only takes a minute and I appreciate it. Is there any? Big up Anton Raymond. He says, big up M. Going Jamaica next year. Love watching your videos and smoking a J. Why, oi. You know how we do. Is it? Yeah, man. I'm in Rustic Road right now, people. No hairbrush. Outside. Jamaica style. You get me? Yeah. And also big up Cher Jane says, I appreciate the fact that you promoted Moko's place, no bad mind. Yeah. You done no say. We do Jamaican food. We're in Jamaica. It's a third world country. There's a lot of poverty. We have to do what we can and help out where we can. And help out where we can. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, we have to do what we can. Yeah, and respect the culture, you know? So, bless up yourself, people. See you next time.